सत्य कहेंगे, सत्य लिखेंगे, सत्य चलेंगे।
For the teachers and parents also. I am running short of words to explain how the kids performed well. The parents, the teachers who had put so much of hard effort to make the kids to perform. It is not about how difficult it is the spirit by which the kids are present. The confidence they show on the stage in performance, that is excellent. I must congratulate the management, the school, the principal who are taking this initiative to make the inclusion. I think we should all realize that this is nothing special or this is nothing deficit. We all suffer from some sort of disability. Someone has a disability not to remember the names, not to remember the places, or not to remember the names of the vegetables. Often what happens with us on a regular basis, when we lock the door of our house and left, yes, then we will always keep in mind कि मैंने घर का लॉक लगाया था कि नहीं लगाया था, right? So this is also a sort of deficit in us. And these children, this is something visible that might not be visible. And we will think that we should include everyone in our daily life and we will make everyone to be proud of. Like in our life, everyone becomes a little handicapped at one moment or the other. Someone has an accident, they will feel that they will not able to walk, they will not able to perform certain tasks. Someone has eye operate, they will not be able to see for that matter. Some during the pregnancy, ladies feel very difficult to climb the stairs. So this sort of approach which this school, I must congratulate the management and the principal, but they are making everyone to be empathetic about the others, because whenever they will feel such difficulty, they know how to behave, because they are the crucial part of our society and we cannot exclude them out of our society. We should be there for each and everyone, and we should, if anything, anyone able to realize that I also cannot see, but still then I am an IAS officer and trying to perform for the society. If you channelize the energy of a kid or a youngster towards the right direction, they can achieve the n number of goals and make you proud, parents, make the teachers proud, and they will make the society and the nation also proud. And we should not discourage anyone, rather we should encourage everyone and we should be empathetic about everyone, not sympathetic.
Second position goes to Subir